Boat show season is in full swing, but are you prepared to attend? Hi everyone, I'm Hillary Daniels from Action Water Sports, and today we're going to discuss 3 questions that you should ask sales representatives at boat shows in 2022. But before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more boating content. Now let's go ahead and jump in. Question number 1, can I get a boat by this summer? Supply chain issues continue to cause disruption across a variety of industries, and the boating industry has not been exempt. So if you want to get a boat by the summer, you will likely have to purchase an in-stock boat. For ordering boats, demand has continued to outpace production capacity for boating manufacturers for model year 2022. So be sure to talk to your sales representative about the most up-to-date information about custom boat timelines. Question number 2, what kind of boats does your dealership carry? It's important to be direct to see if the dealer carries the type of boat you are looking for. Depending on the dealership, they may offer a variety of boats, from pontoons to bow riders to towboats and more. So if you're looking for an inboard surf boat, tell the sales representative you're looking for a boat with water sports capabilities, and they should be able to point you in the right direction. Question number 3, how does servicing a boat work at your dealership? Your local dealership service department is another key to a hassle-free boating experience. Boating season is a precious time to spend with family and friends, and it's best spent on the water, not in the garage. In the unfortunate event that your boat needs service, it's important to understand how a boat dealership will help. Services like pickup, delivery, dockside service can really help maximize your time on the water. So asking service-related questions will help you better understand what your experience will be like. A boat dealership that has educated technicians can go a long way. If you have any more questions, please visit your local Action Water Sports or stop by our learning center at actionwater.com. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we hope to see you on the water soon.